Hello everyone, my name is Mattia Nardon and I will be presenting CHIP, a multi-sensor dataset for 60-pose estimation of chairs in industrial settings. CHIP is the first multi-sensor benchmark of chairs under realistic industrial conditions. It features a robotic setup equipped with multiple RGBD sensors observing wooden chairs. It reducing real-world challenges such as occlusion and clutter. It combines active, passive stereo, and LiDAR, offering complementary depth of use. The dataset contains 78,000 frames divided into several scenarios. Most existing 60-pose datasets focus on small, compact objects, often placed on a turntable in controlled environments. This setup limits object motion and variability and doesn't reflect industrial complexity. In contrast, CHIP includes composite wooden chairs, large objects with thin and hollow parts. We used 7 distinct chairs divided into solid and frame variants. These chairs are manipulated by a robotic arm, introducing realistic occlusion and motion. The dataset includes RGBD video sequences in 3 main scenarios: no occlusion, only self-occlusion and robot occlusions; human occlusion, a person moves around the chair during manipulation; human and distractor, a second chair is added to further increase scene complexity. These scenarios challenge both detection and pose estimation robustness. Ground truth 60 poses are obtained automatically by combining 3 transformations from robot kinematics and calibration. Remove the need for manual annotation. We evaluate CHIP using state-of-the-art 60-pose estimators under different localization priors. The performance is measured using rotation and translation error, and even in the best setup, the result highlights room for improvement in challenging real-world conditions. In summary, CHIP provides a unique benchmark for evaluating 60-pose estimation in realistic industrial environments. It combines multi-sensor data, automatic ground truth annotation, and challenging scenario involving occlusion, clutter, and motion. You can find more details and download the dataset on the website here on the right. Thank you for watching.